become a country of consumption. You know, they have nothing but buy things and buy food and eat it. They don't produce anything. It has become completely a chaotic situation. You know, everything is concentrated and controlled. Civilians who are loyal to the regime, and they have privileges, they have money, they get positions, they get so on and so on. If somebody, you know, working all his life and his children and so on cannot find the good life, and he sees his neighbors or somebody else who is nobody suddenly overnight has become rich. How? There must be something that is wrong in the society. And this is because of the corruption. You know, that the corruption is spread like a pandemic. And the people who are ruling the country, they are the people who practice the corruption. It's not that they are fighting it, or the people who are in charge of things, they are corrupt.